Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share 5 important things that you must do before selling your Mac or getting somebody to fix it. It's really important to do this because your information can be stolen anytime. Hey guys, if you don't know me, I'm Paravuth. I make different videos on app review, unboxings, videography, and filming tips. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. Okay, without further delay, let's get started. Okay, so number one, you have to sign out the iCloud account. When using iCloud, all your data will be stored somewhere under your account. The data includes documents, photos, mail, contacts, calendars, reminders, Safari, note, and keychain. The information inside these categories is really important. For example, as you can see, all my notes including the username and password for all the websites I use are here. So what happens if someone can get to see all of these? For sure, you won't be the owner of all of these anymore. So you have to sign out your iCloud account. To sign out the iCloud account, you need to go to System Preferences, then Apple ID, and go to the overview on the left, and you now can see the sign out button. Click on that and untick all the suggested items here. As you can see, do you want to keep a copy of your iCloud data on this Mac before signing out? Yeah, just untick all of them, then continue. And then you will see this. Do you want to keep a copy of your Safari passwords on this Mac? Of course, you need to delete from the Mac. And then you will be asked to fill in your Apple ID password. So just fill in your password and continue. And now you can go and check your note or your contacts or mails, and you will see that everything is gone. Let me open my note again. As you can see, almost all notes are gone except some are still here, which links to point number 2 that you have to do. Okay, so point number 2, you need to remove all the accounts that you have signed in on your Mac. To remove all the accounts on your Mac, you have to go to System Preferences, then choose Internet Accounts. As you can see on the left here, I still have 2 active accounts. So now I have to remove all of them. You need to check on your Mac how many accounts you have and make sure that you remove all of them. To remove the account, what you need to do is just to select on the account that you want to remove, then click on the minus button here, click OK. As you can see, one of my accounts has just been removed. Okay, so let's do the same to this account. Select on the account and then click on minus button and OK. And this one, yes, Facebook, just delete it too. You can keep it there, as you can see it is inactive, so it doesn't matter, but I just want to clear everything from this, just to make sure that everything is clean. Okay, now I launched the note again. As you can see, all the notes are gone except the new one that I've just made. Okay, so now let's move on to point number 3, which is about the internet browsers. So you have to double check how many internet browsers you have installed on your Mac. So from my Mac, as you can see, I have 2 different internet browsers. So the main one that I use is Safari, and the second one is the Chrome. So launch the 2 browsers, or launch all your browsers that you have used or you have installed. And make sure that you clear the history and sign out all the accounts that you have signed in with your Gmail or on any other website. So make sure that you clear everything. Okay, now let's launch the Safari, and then click on Safari and choose Preferences, and then choose Privacy and choose Manage Website Data, and then make sure that you remove all of them. And the second thing that you need to do on the Safari is to clear or delete all your saved bookmarks. To delete or clear your bookmarks, what you have to do is to click on Bookmarks up there and then Show Bookmarks. Yeah, as you can see on the left, I have so many bookmarks. Or you can just go to Bookmarks and add it. same. And then what you need to do is to right click on any bookmarks that you want to delete and then delete. So you have to do this one by one. I actually try my best to find a way to, delete the bookmarks as quickly as possible, but this is the only option, so I have to do this one by one, which is annoying because it took me about 5 minutes, just to delete all the bookmarks that I have saved. So the same things happen to you if you have saved a lot of bookmarks. You need to be patient to do this. Okay, now let me launch the Chrome browser and do the same thing as I did on Safari. Okay, first click on history and show full history, and then click on clear browsing data, then choose advanced and choose time range, choose all the time and check everything, and then clear data. And next is go to bookmark, so click on bookmarks and bookmark manager. And as I don't normally use a Chrome browser, so as you can see I don't have any bookmark, but make sure that you clear everything, your bookmarks on your Chrome browser. Make sure that you clear everything. Okay, as you can see, everything is gone on my Chrome browsers. Point number 4, what you need to do is to change your admin password or disable it. Doing this is to make the one who repairs your Mac easy to access and test your Mac after being fixed. And the other reason is to prevent your Mac password being known to the repairer. Okay, to change your Mac password or disable it, you need to go to System Preferences, then choose Users and Groups, then click on Change Password. Just fill in your current password and fill in your new one in the boxes below. Then click Change Password. And in order to disable the password, you need to go to Login Options down below over here. Click on that, and you can see Automatic Login. To change the automatic login, you need to click on the lock icon and fill in your admin password and unlock. And now you can change from off to your account. So my admin account is my name, and then fill in the admin password. Pay attention to this one. As you can see, turn on automatic login will disable Touch ID. If you decide to choose this one, yes, just go for it. Okay guys, so now let's move on to the last point that you have to do. So you need to transfer all the files from your Mac to your flash drive or external drive. So you need to go folder by folders just to check every files that you don't want to share with the strangers, the repairers, because the repairers probably want to know what's inside your folder and they want to open it or just make copy of some of your videos or private videos that you don't want to share with other people. So make sure you transfer all the files from your Mac to your external drive. As you can see, now I'm transferring my video trips in Korea from my Mac to my external drive. Just for your information, I'm going to have a separate video talking about what external drive you should buy to use with your Mac, or which one is more suitable for your video projects. Okay guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or suggestions, just let me know in the comment down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next videos. Thanks.